Yeah, that Zinzino that has been existing for the past, since 2005, has now opened its doors to the international market. The company has expanded in the Scandinavian countries, in the European countries, in the UK, expanded in America, has been in America since 5 years, expanded in Canada, also expanded in Australia. Recently, they now opened, that was last year, opened their doors to the rest of the world. So, and then the first country they stepped in was India. India was launched last year. And now they now looked into Africa because they appreciate the African markets. So they wanted to come into South Africa, but they've already started the proceedings of going into South Africa to launch. But the COVID-19 now came. The COVID-19 came, and COVID-19 has delayed a lot of things. So let me meet everybody. At the end, we can ask questions. Now, the COVID-19 now delayed a lot of things, and they now have to slow down, looking to coming into Nigeria and some other countries too that are already in their global web shop. Now, this document in front of me is a guideline for the global web shop. I'll just run through them because why this document is very, very important. And that it answers most of the questions that most pioneers, most people who are joining as pioneers will want to ask. That is why I want to start with it. You know, that this is the guideline. Now, the company has, Zinzino has a web shop. Is like a web shop. Now, web shop means that you as a partner, in fact, joining as a partner is free. The only thing you need to do is just to much later, maybe within 2 weeks of your joining, you can place order for your products. But the moment you join, your business has started. You can even recruit, you can even sign up customers and partners, even without you placing order for your products and still earn money. Now, and when you do that, you have created a web shop. So this website is zinzino.com, and the official website for the Zinzino test, which I'm going to talk about in this presentation briefly, will this is the website for it dedicated. The products are the balance oil, the balance test. The balance test is the defining product or service that Zinzino is offering that is different from most other companies, most other direct sales companies out there. I'll talk about the balance test and why it is a test-based nutrition, skin serum, and the rest of them. The currency is in US dollars. We purchase in currency and we are paid in currency. Payment is also through ATM. You can pay through ATM card, you know. So it has made payments delivery. Once you pay within 1 to 2 weeks, you get your. I got my products here from Sweden, shipped to Saudi Arabia within 10 days. And some people in Ghana also got their products within less than 2 weeks, within around that 10 days. So even some people who in Namibia too also got their shipments, delivered through shipment, and the flat rate of shipment is $10. $10. Even if the package the person is ordering is more than $300, they have made it a flat rate of $10. So that to ease the commissions are there via the compensation plan, and once you purchase your global kit, you become an active partner. You know, so these are just some few things about the plan. This is an official document that they published when they now decided to go global. Now let me now go into some information about the opportunity. Now this discussion will be happening every day. As much as possible, it will be very brief because it's happening every day. It will be very brief, maybe within a space of 30 to 45 minutes, we are done. Yeah, but because every weekend on Saturdays and Sundays, we have detailed product presentation. I for now, I'm the one, I will be taking the detailed product presentation, talking about the balance test, the test-based nutrition, the concept, and the products and everything. And on Sunday, we have Mr. Thomas, which is the Swedish guy, will take the compensation plan. So Saturdays and Sundays, detailed presentations. These weekdays, we'll be having brief information just to, to spike up curiosity and to give an idea. And it's also enough for people who wants to get on board immediately and start trying the products or become partners. Now, but every Tuesdays, for those who want to be partners, who want to join us, you can either be a customer and be using the products, good and fine. The company, you can qualify for free products as you continue to be a customer. You can, it's either you're a customer or you're a partner. You can be a partner if you want to really do the business, if you want to make money from the compensation program, if you want to help the company create customers and they pay you handsomely. Yeah, on Tuesdays, we have trainings for our partners, how they can get started, the brief orientation information on guide that will help them to start their business well. So welcome to this wellness revolution. This is actually a wellness revolution that is sweeping the globe. Now, this is a kind of wellness revolution that is full of innovation. It's different from what we are used to. It's different from what we know. It's different from what is out there. That is why it is a global mega trend. I target a global mega trend coming to Africa. And it's going to shock a lot of African entrepreneurs, African wellness entrepreneurs, because they have never, trust me, they have never seen this type before. The concept of the test-based nutrition. So science and technology are developing at a faster rate in human history. We know more about nutrition and wellness than ever before. But with the knowledge of nutrition and wellness, people are still falling sick every day. Life expectancy is reducing. Any slightest opportunity for any slightest pandemic, people die in their dozens with the slightest provocation. The more we know about health and nutrition, the more people die. So now, more people die. You can mute. You can mute. As you join, you can mute. Okay, so that okay. So the more people that so we eat more of most of the foods we eat, because the concept of essential fatty acids is that the importance of the essential fatty acid, you can Google it and get more information. The essential fatty acids are very, very important because almost all diseases, almost everything that happens to us in terms of disease form are from the foods we eat. The kind of food you eat defines you. Now, if you fall sick today, the first thing you should do is to ask yourself, what is it that I'm not eating right? That's the first thing. Even the father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, said that let your food be thy medicine and let your medicine be thy food. Even what's it called? Einstein said that the doctors of the future will not treat or will not approach diseases with medications or drugs, but they will use nutrition. He said it centuries ago in the future, and that is what is happening now. Now, see what we eat every day, because essential fatty acids are what we need, because the body cannot produce it. We must take it from food. We must take it from food. The question now is that, are we having enough essential fatty acids? The important functions, most of us don't know the important functions of essential fatty acids. The important functions of essential fatty acids are they form part of the building structure of the body. So the way you appear is a function of the quantity of essential fatty acids that you are taking, because they form the structure and the function of the body. What is the structure and function of the body? Is the cells that make us up. The cell membrane, the covering of the cell membrane is a product of the quantity of essential fatty acids we take. If we don't take enough, our cell membrane will be poorly formed. The cell cannot survive. The cells can easily die. We are prone to diseases, non-communicable diseases and infections too. If we take adequate essential amino acids that the body needs, because the body cannot produce, the body needs us to take it from food, then the body can use it to make us look healthier. This is an important information that don't be surprised. Even my colleagues in the health profession, we don't have much knowledge about it. It was even recently in my own further research that I get to learn more about it. And it is not well known, but that is why we are here in this industry, to educate people and give them what understanding. But now, among the essential fatty acids, we have two types of essential fatty acids: the omega essential fatty, the omega-3 and the omega-6. Now, the omega-6 essential fatty acids, we eat them every day from food. We eat them every day. We eat them every day. We don't have problem. The body is getting enough from food. But the omega-3 is what we are not taking. We are not having enough of them. And the importance of the omega-3 is so much that it protects, the omega-6 has its own wonderful function, but the functions of omega-3 in keeping us healthier is much more robust and significant compared to omega-6. That is why the body needs that balance between omega-6 and omega-3. And WHO has recommended anything 4:1 and below. Anything that means 4 of omega-6 and 1 of omega-3 and below, or 3:1. The question now is, because we eat more of the omega-6, most people have higher ratio. Studies have shown that 95% of people are in danger because of higher ratio. Just recently, I was speaking to one of our Filipino partners who recently did his balance test, and guess what? His ratio was 45:1. 45:1. He was so thankful that he discovered the balance test, at least to know his state of health. Just like checking your blood pressure. If your blood pressure is high, you go straight and look for a solution. But if you don't check it, you will not find out. It's just like checking your sugar level, just like checking your cholesterol level. If you check those things and you notice that they are high, you will take steps because you know the dangers of them being high. The same thing with the omega-6 and omega-3 ratio. If you check them and you discover that your ratio is high, you will take steps to go and look for a solution to bring downward the ratio. And that is what Zinzino has to offer, the balanced oil. The balanced oil, it is not just a product that they'll just give it to start. In some other network marketing company or in some other direct sales company, they have products, wonderful products, but you cannot quantify the efficacy of the products because there is no test to test efficacy. There is nothing to show that these things are working. People rely on testimonials. But in Zinzino, we don't rely on testimonials. We have the balance test. Imagine when that my friend in the Philippines, my test result is yet to be out. I'm waiting for it. Imagine when that my friend in the Philippines now takes the balance oil for 120 days and now repeats the test and see a reduction. He doesn't need testimonial to tell himself that the products are very, very potent. That is the idea of the test-based nutrition of Zinzino. So we have imbalance in omega-6 and omega-3, 95% for the world is out of balance. That's why we have hypertension, diabetes, chronic diseases, cancer, all everywhere. Low levels of omega-3, inadequate polyphenols in our diet, which have a role to play. Low levels of vitamin D3 too. All these are the problem, and we must take them from food. So you see, that is where we are. That is where we are. And health is wealth. Now, where we are today, we are around this 15:1 ratio. So many people who are taking omega-3 supplement, and so many people who are actually doing exercise, actually striving to live healthier, they will fall within 7:1. 7:1 is not enough because recommended is 4:1 to 3. This is where we want to be. And once you are here, you will notice that you will feel it. And you will know that you are far from hypertension, diabetes, chronic diseases, and the rest of them, because the clinical studies that have been done have supported all these claims. The World Health Organization look at it, 4:1 or lower. We have the Nordic Council of Ministers, nutritional recommendations. All these things are on information. So the question you ask yourself, are you in the danger zone? That is what we are out to help the world. We are out to help the world. We are providing value to the world by bringing them back to balance. Because tests don't lie. If you go and check your sugar level, are you going to argue that the sugar level, the result you saw is wrong. No, because tests don't lie, especially when the test is scientifically developed and proved and approved. This simple, easy test measures your level of omega-3 and the critical ratio between your omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acid intake. So you see, as of July 2020, we estimate to have conducted 500 tests. In fact, as I speak to you now in 2021, they have surpassed this 500 tests. They have done up to more than 600,000 tests, more than 500,000. And the results they are getting is that 5% of people, only 5% of people have that normal ratio. 20% who are on omega supplements. You can imagine people who are, that to show that there are some omega supplements that are not working. You know, they are just 20%. 20% of people are 7:1. Then the remaining are 15:1 and above. But look at what happens after the test. 95% of those taking Zinzino balanced products have a ratio drop to 3:1 after 120 days. It is enough to show you that, it's enough for you to ask yourself a question, what is in this balanced oil that is making this test to drop? That is what spikes curiosity. And you don't need testimonials to know that the products are efficacious. So we are encouraged to take the test and know because this is a laboratory, an independent laboratory that analyzes the test, independent laboratory. It is not owned by Zinzino. It doesn't even know you, because the Vitas lab only gets your ID. It doesn't know your name, it doesn't know where you're coming from, because they're a double-blind method. So it is independent, and is a lab that is well approved and recognized by WHO. And all of that top institutions in the world are sending samples to Vitas Laboratory for analysis. Zinzino decided to use Vitas Laboratory so that they can ensure credibility. It doesn't make sense for them they can easily come to countries where they have launched and open laboratories there and be testing for easy access, but it will undermine the integrity of the test. That is why Vitas Laboratories, because once you get your result, you know it's authentic. That is why they maintain Vitas Laboratory up to date. And it's located in Norway. So we have, combination. The product is a combination of omega-3, polyphenols, and this. Why is polyphenols? Polyphenols are the most important ingredients because it preserves, it increases the bioavailability and volume of distribution. It allows the omega-3 to get to the cells, because this omega-3 you see and other fatty acids are easily oxidized in our system by free radicals. But the polyphenols are powerful antioxidant that preserves it, and that is why it's very potent. Without the polyphenols, the balanced oil will not be efficacious. It is the polyphenols that preserve, that takes the omega-3 to the cells and make them to be efficacious. Because that is the difference between this balanced oil and other omega-3 constituents. That's why the difference is there. So where they are gotten from white fish and algae, and polyphenols from olives, So the health benefits of the balanced oil, these are approved health claims by the European Food and Safety Society, the European Food and Safety Association. Health claims from a regulatory, internationally recognized body. These health claims are not from Zinzino. These health claims were not concocted by Zinzino. These health claims were made based on research that has been done by the European Food and Safety Association. What do we have out there? Other products that people just cook up health claims. And Zinzino advises its partners and everybody to stick to this health claim. We should not go outside these health claims because it is evidence-based. The top three of them is helping in normal brain function, both for woman who is pregnant, the baby, and for a growing child, even for adults. It contains EPA and DHA, which contributes for normal heart function, prevents you from heart diseases, and helps your heart to function better. And vitamin D contributes to maintenance of normal immune function. Vitamin E it contains it is a natural antioxidant. Then the polyphenols prevents the oxidation of fats, especially omega-3 fats, and allows them to have more access to the cells. So normal vision, normal teeth, normal muscle function, normal bone structure, protects blood lipid, normal blood pressure, process of cell division, because it prevents abnormal cell division, normal blood triglycerides. It will also affect if you do lipid profile, you will see change in your lipid profile test, your cholesterol test. lowers or reduces bad cholesterol, protects cells against oxidative stress, normal absorption and utilization of calcium and phosphorus, normal blood calcium levels, normal brain and development in the breastfeeding infant, visual development, normal development of eye activities. These are approved health claims. And these are people with their different testimonials. From this one from 6.3:1 to 2.4:1. This one from 34.4:1 to 2.9:1 on the balanced oil. Now I know that the balanced oil really works. She didn't need to see any testimonial to know. She saw it by her ratio being reduced. And that gives her peace of mind and something to be proud of. And that is what Zinzino is out to. Zinzino is out to satisfy her customers. Customer satisfaction is the top notch. And we as partners, we are helping Zinzino to create customers. If you don't want to be a partner, you can become a customer, good and fine, but you get satisfaction and you get your good health. So you see different people with their different testimonials and what they think. There are thousands of them. And so most of us who have done our testimonials will start coming up gradually. So you have to find your number, take your test and find your number. It is your responsibility. Do yourself the due diligence to take your test because it is your health. If anything happens to you today, all what you are laboring for will be in vain. It is your health. It is something that is approved. It is science-based. It is evidence-based. It is being embraced by the medical community. It's just like checking your blood pressure, checking your sugar level, checking your cholesterol. This is one way that you use one stone to kill so many birds, because if you have normal ratio, you are bound to have normal blood pressure. Over time, your blood pressure will be normalized because of one of the health claims of the European Food and Safety Association. Over time, your cholesterol level will normalize. It will also reduce your blood pressure. Over time, your insulin sensitivity will increase. It will take you far from diabetes. Over time, those cells that should have dysregulated and formed cancer will normalize, prevents you from cancer. So we are using one stone by reducing our ratio to kill so many birds. Take your test, start your Zinzino, start as you, the moment you take your test, how to take your test and everything will be guided. The moment you take your test, what happens is that you start using the Zinzino Balance product, which is the balanced oil that is available for us now in the global market. There are myriad of so many products available. Once the company in countries like in the UK and Europe, where the company is already in full presence, certified by the regulatory organizations, all the products are available. Now, because they want to enter in countries like Nigeria and other African countries where the products, where the agencies there have not certified it yet, they send it in small amounts. The only balanced oil and the skin screen is also available. So we can have experience it. And of course, the response they get from it is what makes them to come and now to the final launching in those countries. So after you do it, review your tests after 14 days at the website zinzino.test.com, zinzinotest.com. Then 4 months later, in that 4 months, it's expected that you should have been on the balanced oil every day. See your test and see the new number. If you do this, you don't need testimonial to confirm the efficacy of the balanced oil. You don't need anybody. You will confirm it yourself. And anybody who sees this, because tests don't lie. But money back guarantee. If you do the test and your ratio is normal, they refund you your money. If you have 3:1 ratio, that means you don't need the products. They are good, they are fine. They refund you the money you spent. So 100% money back guarantee. But if your test is deranged, that means you need the products. You have to use it for your own health sake. So choose your balance formula, balance oil. We have different flavors. So now, for those who want to be, for those of us who join either as partners or customers, because when you see an opportunity and you tell somebody about it, you should be rewarded. Now, if you were able to spread this word to 4 people who will enroll as customers, 4 persons who will enroll as customers, just to benefit from the products, whether you're a partner or you are a customer, you are already a customer. As a customer, your next month you get free products. You qualify for free products. Once you can spread the good news to 4 other of your friends who want to become customers. This is the only opportunity where people who are customers also benefit from the company. This is the only opportunity I have seen. As a partner, you have much more benefit because you have signed a contract to help the company to generate customers. So the more customers you generate, just like before, in addition to getting free products, the company pays you up to 100 euros for just these 4 persons that you were able to get. So you see, it is simple. Be an auto order for your favorite Zinzino products. Refer 4 friends who also purchase Zinzino Wellness. Produce a volume of at least 4 times your own order. Simply pay shipment fee and get your free products. And you see, you also have other things like Zinzino Hub, Zinzino GoCo. This is a very powerful training application in your phone that you get all kinds of personal development trainings and how to even do well in your business. You are being taught the skills, the tips, the strategies on how to grow your business. This is the Zinzino Hub, which is for people who wants to use internet. You want to be at home and use internet to grow your business. You already have something that is available. They have done it for you, customized. Don't even need to think too much. This is Zinzino Mobile, where you have your landing pages you can share to people who want to learn about the product. This is a full IT support system for us because now it is a home-based business. With this, you can do your business comfortably from home. So you see, build a second source of income because this is an opportunity. When you see something that will benefit people, of course, and the company is inviting you to help them to grow their customer base. It means the company, instead of them using celebrities, they want to use you. Instead of them going to sign contracts with celebrities, they believe in the power of the ordinary man who wants to succeed in life. We all need money, whether we like it or not. In addition to our health, we all need money. But now Zinzino has a lucrative pay plan that in you are being rewarded in trying to take care of yourself. Because the first step you do is to take your balance test. That's the first step. That is where your financial journey starts. Taking your balance test, getting your balance oil. That is where your financial story starts. Is either if you want to if you think you have enough money and you don't need the business or you can't do the business, you become a customer and get health because health is also wealth. But if you think in addition to gaining health, you also want to enrich your pocket, your financial status, because you are being paid in foreign currency. We are paid in dollars, as long as it is the word, we are paid in dollars. So anything you do counts for you. Anything you do counts for you, monetary wise. We may not understand everything now, but the more you engage, the more you understand. You should not wait until you understand everything fully before you engage. That is not most people who are successful, like Richard Branson, who is the owner of Virgin Airlines. He will advise people that if they show you something that has a potential of helping you financially, don't wait until you understand it fully. Just engage. In the process, you will learn it. You understand? So we can build and this I'm doing it part-time. And we can also do it wonderfully part-time. You can do it part-time perfectly. And it will pay you as much as what your job is paying you. Even much more than that. Because it grows geometrically. Build a second source of income, work from home, start it part-time. Choose the people to work with. Create residual income. You can imagine when by 2050, when the company targets to have like 1 billion customers all over the world. Because this is something that is a global mega trend. Listen to me. Now, the number of people who are using Zoom every day, you can imagine the number of people who are using Zoom application. When Zoom came out, people said, what is this? Because people find it difficult to get used to innovations. The problem we have in the world is that people find it difficult to get used to things that are different, to innovations. They are so used to the norm. So once you bring something different, they have this repulsion. This thing is somehow, I don't know how to. But if you check, most of those things that people have rejected over time, those innovations are today what is paying people. Look at Facebook. Whoever thought that will have a wonderful platform where you go and do a lot of things. But there was a time that Facebook was being planned, but people did not believe in it. But those who believed in it and joined him and did it are now benefiting from it. Look at Zoom. There's a notable Nigerian politician who was made that he should invest in Zoom. But he said it's not possible. How can it be possible that everybody we can be doing this kind of conference anyway? But now, Zoom now is the #1 web conferencing application all over the world. And what is that? That Nigerian politician is now regretting because he was so conservative. He was not used to difference. And that is what is happening. People don't believe that these things can happen. They still believe in the traditional business method. that give them. They don't believe that you can actually create residual income. It can get to a point where people in different parts of the world can be a customer doing the test. Medical professionals, hospitals, institutions will now adopt this test, and they'll be doing it and be recommending it and creating customers. But it was through you that they got that link. What do you think will happen? Whatever they do in any part of the world will come to you as income. There is no amount of opportunity that can pay you the amount of money this kind of innovation can give. That is why you can easily create residual income just from doing it from home. You see, apart from the health benefits we derive from the balanced oil, the residual income is something that people should start thinking. People should start not being conservative, start getting used to difference, start innovating, start believing in innovation. So you see, we also bring health because we are bringing health and wellness to the world. If you are bringing health and wellness to the world, you are bound. You are a future millionaire in dollars. If you are going to be among people who are bringing health and wellness to the world, you are a future millionaire in dollars. So, and of course, when you have that, you can travel to any part of the world you want. You can qualify for free car bonuses. You don't need to use your money to get your car of your choice. You get it from the bonuses the company gives you because of what you have done. You get financial freedom. Freedom is that anything you want to do, you do things not because you are considering the amount of money you have, you do it because you just want to do them. You help others because we are also helping others. Because the structure is such a way that I am doing this because I'm helping people out there who want to help themselves. And the thing is that it is also structured that the more you help people to become successful, the more you become successful. Successful people are people who have helped others to become successful. Successful people are people, if success is success is defined as people, so many people sucking from your seed. That is success. If people are not sucking from your seed, then you're not, because you're not yet successful. And this is an opportunity that can also help us to help people financially and health-wise. You know, so you can fulfill our dreams and be your own boss, develop residual income, and help others by starting this home-based delivery sales business. You choose your hours and the people you work with. You start it part-time with little investment. A business, there is no business that you can start with the kind of investment you start with. There is no business. And qualify for great perks, trips, awards, and even car bonuses. I'm sure we are familiar with the cash flow quadrants. We can see this EBSI by my side. This is a cash flow quadrant that, I don't worry, read more in page 45. We are even fast. We are very fast. The ending pages, I'll talk more about this cash flow quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. We'll understand better. So Zinzino is a company you'll be proud to. I'm very proud to work. I'm very proud of it because I have never seen a company like Zinzino. I'm not saying this because I want to get you to love it the way I love it. I'm saying it because of sincerely from the bottom of my heart the way I feel about the company. Based on my more than 5 years experience in direct sales, I have never seen this kind of opportunity. No one that is being hugely embraced in the US, is hugely embraced in Canada, is hugely embraced all over the world in Europe, is hugely embraced in Australia. So we are expanding now. They are expanding around the world because Zinzino is a credible company that is traded in NASDAQ Stock Exchange. Any company that is traded in NASDAQ Stock Exchange is a company that has come to stay, very stable, financially wise, otherwise. You see? So as a partner on Zinzino, you are bound to follow the code of ethics. Yes, there are code of ethics. Like you don't make false claims about the product. Do not, that is one thing I love about it. Because being a doctor, I have seen people making false claims about some supplements. But if you are found making false claims, you could be terminated. Your contract could be terminated. So you're not making false claims. You are part of a double-digit sales growth. You are part of it because you are part of those creating the customers. So you see, so that is it. So as you are joining our team, we have a team, Mr. Thomas. I'm so happy to be connected to Mr. Thomas because Mr. Thomas has been in this business for 12 years and he's very close to the company owners, and he has shared the same stage with a lot of top like Richard Branson, Eric Worre, is very close to them. He has a root. So we have a very strong
Let
team
the
we are
child
working
sleep
and strong
and come in sleeping. So it's just
and strong
disturbing me.
teams we are also
Just let
working with. So you see, the GoCo app, the powerful back office educational event, experienced speed leaders, international expansion, cutting edge marketing plan, 24 hours manufacturing patented products, and the rest of them. So this is the business model of Zinzino. Getting customers, contact referrals, help, and the rest of them. You have the 30 to 60-day goal. The first one is, as you get your 4 premier customers, you get 10% of each of what they bought. 10% of each of what they bought, which is around 10% of each of what they bought, which is around total of it. Imagine if the premier customers, an average of $70 that you get if you add all the 10% you get from here. Then you now get a cash bonus of what? 100 euros. 100 euros is about 135 US dollars, which is 135 US dollars. You add it to that 70, we are talking about almost 200 US dollars. Within that, just these 4 customers, 4 persons, you are able to, within your first 30 days. And you get other commissions like the mentor bonus commission. You get another 200 pay points. 200 pay points. I mean, 150 pay points. That is about 175 US dollars. In addition to that $200 you have gotten within your first 30 days, because just from these 3 customers, you become a smart bronze, you become a silver. You become a silver, they give you additional 150 pay points, different in addition to what you have gotten here. You see, so you see the power of those 4 customers. That is what begins our business. From time your back office was created, your target is to get 4 customers because we are helping them to create customers. The question now is, the more customers we create, the more money we make. And how do you get a customer? Show him the balance test. Tell him about the balance test. Invite them to our presentations. They will hear and they will, in fact, anybody who joins you as a partner is good because the person also wants to help you to increase your customer base because the customers the person gets also counts for you. So XTM Express, within 60 days, you increase your customer base. For example, now you might just get only 4 customers, or you get 2. You get 2 customers and one person gets one. You have 4. Or you get 4 customers and each of the 4 customers they got 1, and to make it 10 for you. All of them count for you. Anything that happens in the people you have connected to join your team counts for you. You can just get only 2 customers, but those 2 customers will go ahead and get like more customers. All of them still count for you. That is why you must not be you must not be perfect or be professional before you start, because you could connect somebody who will gather enough customers for you. It has happened. So, and that is as your customer increases, so your ranking increases, so your pay increases from 100, 200 pay points. One pay point is equivalent to €1. 1 euro. 300 pay points, 600 pay points as your customers increases. This is different from other commissions, cash bonuses commissions that you will also be getting. Even as you enroll partners, you also get paid. You can become an executive and qualify for a phone bonus. You can also become a diamond as your customers are increasing, and you can qualify for your car incentive. You can from there become a crown. When you qualify for car incentive, you can keep qualifying for the car incentive every month. You see, it is about growth. The first step is to get your 4 customers on ground, and that your 4 customers is what will take you to that destination where you will hit that financial freedom. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a small, simple step. Small, simple step. When you are starting, it is very difficult. Very difficult. In fact, I'm not finding it easy this period, but I'm seeing the future. I'm seeing the future. And I can assure you that those who are joining our team, you will benefit from spillovers, because when I give you spillover, unlike in other network marketing companies, when you have spillover, you cannot benefit from points. But in Zinzino, if I give you a spillover, Any points that spillover accumulates, it also counts for you. That is very wonderful. It means that by being a partner already, you're already in something that is good. It is very promising. So because I am going to, of course, our team growth is phenomenal. And if you are part of our team, you benefit from that team growth. That's certain because of the way Zinzino is structured. So this is a powerful balanced oil that is rocking the world. And why is this so? Because we have a lot of scientists who have backed it up. The global famous Dr. Paul Clayton. You can go to YouTube and type Dr. Paul Clayton. You see a lot of his articles. You see a lot of his videos. Dr. Angela is there. I was just watching the presentation of Mr. Ola talking about this test and the balanced oil. Some scientific information that my colleagues who are doctors will be interested in. You know, so with that, now let's talk about that cash flow quadrant. According to Robert Kiyosaki, he said that there are 4 ways people make money. There are 4 ways people make money. This presentation is going to be happening every day except Tuesdays, Saturday, and Sunday. Whether people join or not, I'll just be online doing it. Whether people join or not, I'll be online doing it. Now I'm starting now. It's difficult, but I know a time will come when we'll be having a fuller house. It's a gradual process. It's a gradual process. So there are 4 ways. Robert Kiyosaki said there are 4 ways people make money. The 4 quadrants. The E quadrant, the S quadrant, the B and the I quadrant. There are people who are here, the people who are here. Now, the E quadrant are the employees. This person, they have a job. Like myself, I have a job and I receive monthly income. And I'm trading my time for money. I'm always on money shift, so I have evenings to do this. I've been able to strike a deal with them to always put me on money shift. So in the evenings, I can have time for my business. Because this is what I want to create so that it will give me an income that the job cannot give me. Now, becoming an employee is not bad, but you have to make steps to move out of that employee. It is bad when you decide to remain as an employee for the rest of your life and be expecting pension and gratuity. Now, because you are trading your time and you don't have time for your health, anytime you stop working, if anything happens to you, you can be, if you lose your job, you stop paying. And these days, job security is questionable. Now, self-employed, these are people who have the special expertise in one field or another. An example can be a doctor, a consultant, a doctor that owns a hospital, a craftsman, a lawyer, or a store owner. These are self-employed people. They often have professional training. They often have professional training and work within that profession. Like me, I'm also Omar. They often get paid by the hour for their services, but they are limited in that they cannot achieve more income than the hours they work for themselves. That means anytime they are not working, no money. Anytime they are not going to their shop, no money. Even the person that you are keeping in the shop to take care of your shop inventories, you cannot trust the person because the person can be stealing from you. So you are always there to make sure your business goes up. There's nothing wrong in becoming a self-employed person. But the problem is when you have chosen to remain there all the rest of your life. You now have the business owner. This person owns and runs companies where the idea is to build products and systems. The key word there is system. System that allows them to employ others to do the job independently of the company owner. The revenue generated is not based on their own hours at work, but on the system they have created. The system consists of employees and the products and services sold through that company. Now, some persons have moved from employee, self-employed, and to business owner, but it took them years to get to become a business owner. This is where most people, this is where if you get to, you will have a bit of financial freedom. It depends on the kind of business you are owning. Is it a traditional business or a system business? If it's a traditional business, you still go back to be checking that everything is going wrong, even the people you have. But if it is a business, like the direct sales, where you already have created customers who are enjoying the products, who are using the products, who are moving, who they don't even care. You cannot stop them from doing what they are doing. And yet, even when you go to bed, you earn income. Even when you sleep, even when you take vacation, what you do, you earn income. You must not be there. You must not go to any place. You must not even go and start creating hall, buying overhead costs, employing people. In this kind of direct sales business, all what you need is just to plunge into the system that has already been created and follow the system and make substantial income, just like people who are business owners with little amount of investment, little amount of startup capital. That is why people who are in direct sales are very excited, haven't discovered what it is. Now, when you now make money, you can now be an investor. These people create profit by investing money they already own. You can invest in stocks, invest in property, invest. You cannot invest in all those huge things, real estate, without having the kind of money you can get from being a business owner or running this kind of business that can give you that kind of money. You cannot start investing. If you try to be an investor from your salary, you will just see yourself. You can even fizzle out before your investment is completed or before you start reaping benefit from your investment. So 95% of people of the world population work as the employed or the self-employed. They are on the left side of the quadrant, while only 5% are on the B and I, which are what? The main people who are controlling the world resources. So let me tell you, these 5% are controlling 95% of the world resources. The people who, the 95% people who want to be self-employed or who are employee looking for a job are people who are controlling only 5% of the world resources. These people in the E and S quadrant, they celebrate and they discuss and they talk about people who are in the B and I. The people who are in the B and I don't even have time because they're always very busy. So let us assume that there are two lanes, the A and the B. You can choose which one to be in. In one lane A, there are 95 people who are fighting for 5 euros. In the other lane B, there are one person who gets the remaining 95 euros. Which lane would you like to be in? We are not saying that one lane is necessarily better for you than the other. The question we ask you to think through is, are you being paid what you are worth? Are you being paid what you are worth? On the left side, you trade your time for money, being an employee, while on the right side, you are paid for your total results. What you are worth is what you are paid. Because in this business, what you earn is what you are worth. If you're not worth it, you don't get it. So if you think you are worth more than you are being paid in your job, then you have to take a second look and plunge yourself in Zinzino business. Become a partner or to help Zinzino create customers, and you see that you will be paid what you are worth. These people have created their dream business, and you can too. They have created a business for us to create our own business in. We can create a business in their business platform and become global people and become big business owners that can have financial freedom. So these are the founders, the global president, the founders. These are Hilda and Orancel. These guys are very close to. They are very close to Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas is very close to them. So most times, all our complaints, all our concerns, all our demands, we can easily get it to them through Mr. Thomas. So a lot of people already, like I said, the company has been existing since 2005. The question you ask yourself, are there people who are actually enjoying this financial freedom? Yes. Mr. Thomas is an example. He has been in it for 12 years. Very humble, but you will not know. The other day, he was just telling us his achievements. It wowed us. It wowed us. It wowed me. It challenged me. And this is somebody that you could even be better than. This is somebody that was a school dropout. You could be better than him. With all your degrees and all your knowledge, you can be better than him. It requires to unlearn and relearn new things. And believe in yourself. Even if this is the first time you are doing this kind of opportunity, you can do it very well and give yourself substantial result. Because I have seen this. My first network marketing was Alliance in Motion Global. This is Zinzino. I'm looking at this as A to Z. This is my last bus stop. This is where I will stay. I will do the rest of my life. I will be a Zinzino partner because the balance test, the test-based nutrition is top-notch because I want to be healthy forever. And of course, in doing so, I'll also work through getting my financial freedom, not just for myself, and also for my family, my children, and my children's children. These are successes already, people who have succeeded, you know. And the good thing about this kind of business is that you can transfer it to your family. You cannot transfer your job to your family. You can hardly transfer your business, your self-employed business to your family. But this is something that your children, even when God calls you, it is channeled to your children. Your children continue to earn, continue to benefit. If I get to a point where I am now financially free from Zinzino, if I decide to leave the world, if God calls me, my daughter, my children, my wife, everybody will continue to benefit from the pay-ins that come into Zinzino. That is a wonderful thing to be here. Even if it takes me 10 years to achieve this financial freedom, it is something, a legacy that I will leave for my family. And that is why I'm challenging us to see it that way. So when you become a Zinzino partner, you have the entire corporate team as your support. That is true. We have experienced it in just these few weeks. We have experienced it in these few weeks. So the home-based business you can start now. It is a home business you can start now. How to get your health and wellness products for free and learn how to create wealth by helping others reach success. Tomorrow, we are going to repeat this presentation. Tomorrow is Friday. Then Saturday, we will have detailed product presentation, which I will anchor. Then Sunday, Mr. Thomas will come and do the business presentation and break it down further for us to understand. I encourage you to invite as many people as possible for all these presentations and take part and take that positive step to change your life. Thank you very much.